You did. Okay, open.
Do you want to know what that is?
Yes.
This is another sprinkler, which is great. Now we can do sprinklers all over our yard, and this is something that only big girls and big boys can do.
Mommy, I can do it.
Yeah, I bet. It's called a hopper.
Open it.
And we have to blow it up. Daddy needs to pump it up with a bike
Ryan,
pump.
you're going to love that.
Do you think you can handle that?
Open it, buddy.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Smile.
Would you like me to help?
Blow him a kiss. Look at the cameras.
Look at that. It's Mater.
How old are you?
I'm 4.
Okay.
Say bye-bye, 3.